Slotted hex nuts allow for easy cotter pin installation and are commonly used to secure the front wheel bearings or wheel hubs to the spindles of trucks or cars. Earnest Machine stocks slotted hex nuts in sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 3 inches in diameter, with a wide variety of grades and finishes to choose from. Slotted hex nuts feature 6 slotted sides to allow for a cotter pin to freely pass through its body. This style of fastener is often used in combination with a bolt, screw, or stud which has received a hole drilled through its threads. Once the nut has been tightened, a cotter pin is then inserted through one of the open slots on the hex nut and through the drilled hole on the bolt, screw, or stud. This is done to create a locking action that prevents the nut from spinning free or loosening within its application. Slotted hex nuts are also commonly confused with castle nuts, which feature a slotted collar that offers a smaller surface area around its 6 open sides. This allows for the cotter pin to be wrapped around the fastener, achieving a tighter, more compact assembly. Distributors can find opportunity for this style of fastener with manufacturers of construction equipment, heavy trucks, and diesel engine assemblies. This style of fastener also has some alternative names, as not everyone within our industry refers to this product as a slotted hex nut. You may hear this product referred to as a castle nut, a spindle nut, or a slotted nut. Earnest Machine stocks slotted hex nuts in grade 8, which provides increased durability and long-lasting performance to your fastened assemblies. Grade 8 slotted hex nuts are available in plain, zinc clear, and zinc yellow finishes. Additionally, Earnest Machine stocks a line of grade 5 slotted hex nuts, available in plain, zinc clear, and zinc yellow finishes. Lastly, Earnest Machine offers a line of grade 2 slotted hex nuts in plain and zinc clear finishes. If you would like more information on our entire line of slotted hex nuts, give us a call at 1-800-327-6378 or email us at inquiry@earnestmachine.com.